Does your Freightliner hood mirror do this? And when it's running, sounds like this.
Hear the most annoying sound in the world?
If so, GasDiesel Garage has a hack for that, so stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Jack, this is GasDiesel Garage, and today's episode, well, it's Don't Get Screwed by the Dealer Day. Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to take the hood mirror off of the truck. So take the 4 nuts off that's holding it on. If you have long arms, you can probably swing around and hold it with your arm, or hand rather. But if you have short arms, like I do, grab yourself a partner who can hold it without dropping it, because if you drop it, it's only plastic, it will shatter into pieces if you drop it, believe me. I'm not gonna tell you how I know that. So, but anyways, take the 4 nuts off, take the electrical plug off that goes to the heated mirror part, and we're gonna take it to a workbench and do this hack. Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the thing off, set it down, and you see this little tab right there? We need to push it this way so we can pull the mirror out. So push it in right there. Once you push that tab to the right, basically it unlocks this mirror. So there we go. You can pull it on out just like that. Be careful when you pull this up, because you see those two little wires there? That's the heated mirror part. So don't break that. You can disconnect that, which we're actually going to do right now. Actually, let's clean this stuff up first with some brake clean. Now you don't necessarily have to take this apart, so just slide it over to the side so you don't break it. And you see this thing right here? We'll take a screwdriver. Oop, don't need that. Take a screwdriver, we're gonna press in and turn, and then that's gonna unlock that center part there. There we go. Pops out just like that. What we need is this part. We got to modify this so it doesn't keep on shaking and pissing drivers off. There we go. We don't need this part either, but make sure we put it in the right way. Okay, see the area that we shaved off? Well, I put a couple of holes in it, right there and right there, because we're gonna flip this thing over and get 2 small little sheet metal screws, and we're gonna install them on the back side, on each side. All right, now we got the screws in it. Let me show you exactly why this thing keeps on moving up and down, and then of course the mirror shakes. Well, let's test fit it. Now here's the mirror part. There you go. Okay. All right. Let's set this in here like that. Now I want this part to be stable so it doesn't move. You see how it doesn't move anymore? Because I got the sheet metal screws holding it in place. Now it's not screwed in. You can pull it right back out and you're able to replace the mirror and stuff. But remember earlier about the tab I was telling you about that you have to release in order to pull the mirror off? Well, that's this right here. And it is a pain. There we go. What that does is that locks it in place so it doesn't move. See? It doesn't move anymore. And I'm sure when we reassemble this thing in just a few seconds, it's not going to move it. Let's take it on out. Because we need to put this back in place how it was. Now you guys can't get this wrong because you see these little notches? It's just like Legos. Drop that in there like that. Same thing on this side. See how it's got the notches? Line it up with the notches. Like that. Then take this mug. And like that. See? Things swivel so you can move the mirror. And we gotta put that holding spring back in. All right. Now, just take the mirror, slide it back on down, make sure it's seated, and then hit that lock so it locks back in place. Well, there we go. Problem fixed. No more stuffing things in here to keep it stable. Just do that little hack there. You're not going to have any problems. So let's just go ahead and put this thing back on the truck.